Hello, welcome to EC's workshop. Hope you enjoy my videos. Together now, okay? Alright, we're going to take this and these. Okay. Too high profile. Too high of a profile, dude. Okay. Yeah. Ha ha. See. See there? See there? What I'm gonna do here is where'd my piece go? There it is. What I'm gonna do here now is I'm gonna mount this right here. Okay? Just like that. This is what we're gonna do now. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this back piece on first. Alright? I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. Like this. Haha. So I'm going to use all these clamps to hold it all while I'm doing it. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. Who says, please don't laugh at my shop? It's a mess. With a capital M. Too many projects. What I always say. Way too many of them. Okay, there you go. There you go. I forgot about this camera. See how grateful I am? Forget about stuff. Okay. Alright, now what we're going to do here is take this piece of wood down here on the floor. do with this is take this piece down here on the floor, and I'm gonna try to get this. I'm gonna try to clamp it like that, right there. Let's see how I can do this. I'm gonna take a big wide. Alright. It's time to reset this camera. Oh, no, I wish it'd last longer than that. I don't know why they had to make cameras that with a video on it that you can only. See there? That's how easy that was. Golly, Bill, dude, you made a mountain out of a molehill. I hope I can, though. I hope I can. Hope this will work. I'll just get to the screws. Maybe if I go down here, like this, like I did over yonder. Okay. That'll work, won't it? If I do this. Alright, there you go. It's got that. Alright, now put in the screws. There's 25. And what I got over here? 22. What's that? 20 inches. Where'd my little piece go? Got two of those. What is that? Oh, that's under there. Well, the scrap piece is coming good. Glad I didn't throw them in the fire pit. Alright. Okay, I need to cut this. I need to cut these. What do I do? I'm probably get away with 7 inches. I hope. Let's see if I can get in there. No, I can't get in either one of them. Okay. 6.5. 6 3/8. Now I got to put some braces here. Alright, here we go. I put me some tape on there to make sure I don't, just to make sure I don't go too deep, because I don't want to go too deep, because I want these screws just to hold this piece in. Should put some root glue on it. You know what? It all dried up. There you go. I gotta do the same thing over here now. Probably didn't see it all over there. But what I do is here. Got that place attached to plywood to up through here. And this don't fit over here. Like it did over there. It fit over there. Okay, I'm gonna push this up against this straight edge here. And keep it like that. Okay? Alright, now I need to clamp it right up here. Look at that. Asshole. Don't care what you do. It always, something's always got to move. That's too much, see? Alright, now, we gotta get one here too. Down there. Okay, see, I got it clamped down there. Now I'll cut my board to go in between here, which I gotta do something else. I gotta go up a little higher over there, because I want my, this board over here, goes here just the same height as that. I don't want it different. There you go. Okay, now, alright, now, go ahead and get this. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and pre-drill the hole, dude. Alright, I go, bam, 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 thank you, man. And, what I should do is put it all the way down here. Give that piece come all the way up. And that way it's tied into there. And all the way up. And this is what I need to do. About 12 inches long. How long is it? Okay, that's 12 inches long. You'll work. I'm gonna cut you off right there. So, let's do my pencil here. No, I do the pencil. Oh, there it is. Say pencil. Some dangers out here. Change the design. If the plywood's gonna go in there, it's got to attach here. It's got to attach here. If I go up here, there's nothing attached to down there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow it out. Got any air? What I'll do is just gonna put this right here. Okay. Boy, 30 minutes goes by fast.